I don't know if you guys remember the badass grinder, but the badass grinder has come home, and I got Mr. Johnny Ringo with me.
What's happening?
And we are gonna move the badass grinder to its final spot. So, I don't know the exact weight, but it's a lot heavier than 50 pounds. So I got it in the back with this big ass backhoe, and anyways, it's heavier than shit. And so it's gonna go right here. The badass grinder runs on a 4-cylinder. I thought it was a Chrysler, but it's a Ford. It's probably the same thing, but a 4-cylinder Ford gas motor. So the badass grinder will get bolted down to there. Then that is my elevated gas tank and gas tower. And then that's the gas tank goes up there, and we grind beavers and stuff like that. So that's what's in the barrels right here. This is a 2-year-old ground up beaver. So we don't want to open them lids right here. But I don't know. I'm guessing this thing is probably 600 pounds. So if we have to, if it won't slide down these, we'll probably put some block underneath there so we don't break that. I got some block up there by the lure shed.
You just got to promise that you edit out all the crying.
Yeah.
Don't.
Should we block up underneath?
I don't know. Maybe. That one's broke, but I mean, it's broke proper.
Ready?
Yep. Nope.
No, ain't gonna happen.
Maybe not. All right.
Maybe not. I think we're gonna have to try to walk it. Hop up on top of here, and you know what I'm saying, we'll walk it. I can get more leverage up on top. So maybe if you hop on that top and then you try to walk your side.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Or was it you doing all the work?
Let me get right here. Yeah, if I can get under it, then I can move it like this.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it ready.
Ooh.
Let me get some blocks.
I think that'd be probably a good idea right now. That's what it is. That's making it heavy. Oh. Now I'm really happy I didn't have a brat. I think I might have already brought it back up to the surface. Back just a little bit, yeah. Nice.
Like it.
Another lure.
I like it.
Lure until we get past that point.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, no. You stay there. I don't like what that bone's doing.
No.
Let me see if I can. Oh, no worries, if I can get underneath it, I can move it all day long.
Oh. All right.
Well, she's free now.
Okay.
So she's not no more. Get it down a little bit more. Maybe we put a strap around these two to keep them together.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh,
That ain't good. That ain't good.
Let me come this way.
That ain't good.
Okay. Yeah, let's get a strap on these bad boys. A little bit.
take a look.
No worries. Get some
Should we
ass
spin
on
it?
Yeah, you want to go this way with it?
But we're already this way. Let's go.
A big old stubborn mule.
Uh-huh. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
So that,
Son of a bitch.
that is going to be
Let me get a broom.
the next day.
I got an idea. More than a hat rack. Got to be more than a hat rack.
Yeah.
Here. Give me that.
Your leverage.
Yeah. Now let me try to get it center. And then get ready to push it. It's not even going up. It's obviously more than 190 pounds because I ain't moving it.
Maybe bring the 2x down on the lip there. Get a little more, ass on it. Oh yeah. She'll love that.
Push it. Timber, get out of there. Son of a bitch. All right. Hold on a second. See, we got to get above that lip right there. Let me get underneath it a little bit more.
A little more this way.
This is making my shoulder feel really good. It's wanting to tip that way.
I'm wanting to. I need to get more of the weight in that direction.
No, don't do that. Just kind of steady it. If you could, and now it's wanting to tip this way.
I can hold it that way really easy.
Yeah, that's too much weight on it. All right, we're above the concrete now.
So now what do we do?
I don't know. I better put the phone down, huh? Let me put it right here once. You guys can see. I'm trying to make a video. I gotta have a video a day,
Oh, nothing wrong with that. I just...
There. Okay. Hell, what's this?
If we could just get it there, I mean, I could literally grab this end and swing it all the way around.
You might have spun it too quickly. Should we try to spin it again? What if I go a little higher, and then we go to spin it, get the front of this on top of the concrete. So once it hits the concrete, it's gonna be easy to move.
Yeah, what if we go sideways?
Sideways is
Come
good.
off on it sideways like that, because then I can do whatever I want
Right.
with that end. This end here's the bullshit end.
Do you want me to go higher? I mean.
Probably have to drop it down to spin it.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Beautiful. Oh, I'm in the concrete.
Yeah. Son of a...
Oh yeah.
That's what you say now. Jack it up.
Do we want to walk it closer first? A little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now I think we got her. We got all the weight over the jack too. I'm not trying to lift it up. I'm just letting you go up.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How high are we? Yeah. Maybe if you come grab right here, Paul.
What if I here do this?
Or do that. Yeah, it's still on the roll over. Oh, Okay.
Did I get her down level?
Yeah.
Why don't I hook my four-wheeler to it and try to get the winch on it? We'll winch it off of this. That's what we'll do.
Ready? Yeah, baby! Right there. Oh, yeah. See? More than just a hat rack. More than a hat rack.
Awesome. I think we're almost there.
That sucker's got to come clear back damn near touching.
Well, let me do this. Let me just pull the come along, pull the right through here, and hook it on there.
I like it.
Back almost. Well, I can adjust this. This ain't down yet.
Right.
But yeah, let's go back so it's about an inch away from that board.
Okay, stop there, Paul. Let me get that damn belt out of the way there.
What a beautiful sight.
That sucker ain't got much for adjustment either, does it?
Nope. I might have to raise.
Watch your fingers on this.
Yeah.
I got no control of it coming back down.
Ready? One more time. Okay.
Yeah, fat guy.
I'll have to adjust the. Actually, we'll have to adjust this here.
Shim.
Yeah. It's all got to be plumbed and
Yeah,
all that.
it's close.
All right, we got to get that right. So we got some metal shims. If you want to get underneath here, and they're a little hot. The shims are a little hot.
Just a little bit.
Let me see where it's at. Oh boy. We got a little ways to go. All right, let's do two more. We may have to cut more shims.
Yeah, when I looked at it, I thought it was about a half an inch. What's it say?
Holy
right
cow, yeah, it's a long way to go. We got some shims to cut.
there? Probably three more per side, maybe.
Yeah. All right. There we go. Ready to grind. Rusty. I've ran one of these since I've been about 18 years old, working at the mink ranch. I can imagine how many pounds I've ground in all those years. Awesome. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Tune in next time to watch the badass grinder grind. I got a bunch of mink I gotta grind, so we'll run that through when I get this thing running. It won't take long to get it running now. We just got too much to do tonight, so we'll just make this one video here. So, all right, thanks for watching.